Hey, welcome back. In this video, we will elaborate on the question, what is the difference between a product owner and a product manager? Now, there is not one definition of what a product manager is. And having worked with many organizations across the globe, I have seen many different implementations of the product manager role. So to make that comparison, I'm going to take the patterns that I've seen in most organizations and then the differences to what we believe product ownership and the role of the product owner should be about. There are multiple dimensions based on which we can distinguish between a product manager and a product owner. The very first one is that product owners always work with so-called agile teams, which are a cross-functional group of people having the ability to deliver end-to-end. Another important distinction is that product managers, in many cases, not all, only deliver the product itself, but are not accountable for the success of the overall business model. Personally, I always compare a product owner to the CEO of the product, which many product managers are not. Being the CEO of the product means that a product owner takes into account not only the product that we're building and probably how we're building it, but also whether that product delivers towards not only customer, but also organizational goals. And they are ultimately responsible for the success of the overall product. They take ownership for that. I know that there are organizations which have a product manager be responsible for exactly the things that are just attributed to the product owner role. And in those organizations, transitioning from product management to product ownership is mostly just a relabeling of the job or the role. But in other organizations where product management does not take into account everything else other than the product, transitioning from product management to product ownership requires the people in the product manager role now moving towards being product owners learn a bunch of new tools and techniques, which this course is all about. I hope that you got a good response to the question, what are the fundamental differences between product managers and product owners? And I'll see you in our next video.